Hey everybody, it's Brian here with SoCo Customs here with another tire talk. I'm actually coming to you from our waiting room. We do have massage chairs in here. This isn't on because I'd probably fall asleep. But here's the Cooper Tire ST Maxx. And if you go through the Cooper Tire's website, you're going to see that there are a ton of tires in this Discoverer lineup. They'll have everything from SUV highway tires and crossover highway tires all the way up to pretty aggressive mud tires for trucks and pickups and everything like that. This will be a little more gravel focused than a lot of the crossover tires that you're going to see on the website. You can tell that by the lack of or less siping that you see on this tire. So these tires will be mud and snow rated, as you can see by the fairly open tread pattern. Most of the tires in this line will have a load rating of E. You should be able to tow and do everything you want with them, everything that your truck needs. However, there are some light truck sizes that will have a C or a D load rating. I know that there's a 37 1250 that does have that D load rating, and then a whole bunch of smaller light truck tires that will have that C rating. But should be able to get you where you want to go as far as towing and hauling if you are putting these on a truck for towing application. They have a tread depth of 18.5, 30 seconds, so pretty deep tread depth, will last you quite a while. They do not put any sort of guarantee or warranty on these, since I do believe that they go much more towards the gravel side of things, and a lot of times if these tires are seeing gravel, you get excess wear, so they don't really want to make any guarantees on that, especially depending on your driving. So as I kind of alluded to earlier, these do come in the stock sizes, so any stock size that you would really need for a 1500 or 2500 level truck. But they also go up to about a 35 1250. There is even a 37 1250 in that lighter tow rating. So let's get down to the tread. Let's see, this shoulder design will provide some reduced noise compared to a lot of the bigger mud tires and everything like that. I would say that this is much more of a hybrid tire. So coming off the shoulder into the middle tread, you do have these sort of angled this angled tread that you can see. That'll help you retain fewer rocks in there, and the rocks that you do retain, they'll eject quite a bit easier. So this specific tire is a 295/70 R17, so it is going on a leveled Ram 2500. I know the owner's fairly excited to get these on and try these out, so we'll be coming back at you with some more tire talks in the future. Let us know of any brands that you would like to see. Once again, I'm Brian with SoCo Customs. Come check us out.